Hi, grade 8s. We've been talking about having your voice heard in Canada and making a difference. And I'm going to read to you from page 208. It's about this young man. He's a conservation officer, or he was. This is about using social media to affect change. It says Justin Nackstead was a 23-year-old who was raised on his family's farm near Watson, Saskatchewan. He had recently fulfilled his dream of becoming a conservation officer. On May 31st, 2013, so this is 7 years ago now, while he was off duty and traveling to Blackstrap Provincial Park, Justin and his partner pulled over at the scene of a motor vehicle collision just south of Saskatoon. That's just on our side of Saskatoon. They offered to help the RCMP that was there, and they were helping to divert the traffic. Down the road, the driver of another vehicle, allegedly he was drunk, and he was running away from the police. He sped through traffic toward the accident site. This driver hit and he killed Justin, this conservation officer. Justin's family and friends and colleagues were devastated, of course. If you've been involved in a vehicle accident where someone has passed away, that would be very shocking and devastating. And of course, they wanted to make sure Justin would be remembered. A few of them set up a Facebook page to lobby to have Circle Drive South Bridge renamed in his honor. Many people have since joined this Facebook group. Now you'll know that the South Bridge has been finished since this and has been named, and it was not named in Justin's honor. But this group set up a Facebook page to try to get that accomplished. The mission statement of their Facebook page was, Saskatoon will be faced with the challenge of naming the Circle Drive South Bridge. We as a community feel that the bridge should be named after this young conservation officer who stopped to help at the scene of an accident and whose life was taken from him. We also feel that this is the most suitable name for the bridge because it honors Justin Nackstead. The hope is simple. The city of Saskatoon recognizes that this group wants Justin's memory and legacy to live on, and that he will never be forgotten for what he did. Have you ever been to maybe in the gym where someone comes and talks about a tragedy, and the way that they've responded to the tragedy is to take action and create a group to make awareness for it? Maybe awareness for drunk driving or Mothers Against Drunk Driving. Think back to different presentations you've heard in either the elementary school gym or in our high school gym about someone trying to raise awareness for something else. I wonder if you have something you'd like to raise awareness for, or about something passionate to you or your family, something that you've been thinking about, something that you would like the right to do. The next question in this little quiz assignment allows you to write about that. And I'd like you to use sentences. And if you don't have something that pops into your head that you would like to raise awareness for, or something that you're passionate about, do some research on the computer. Put in a Google search for advocacy groups in Saskatchewan, or raising awareness for this in Saskatchewan, and ideas will pop up. Many people are taking a stand for what they believe in and trying to get other people to join them in affecting change in our province and in our country. And I'd like to hear your opinion about that.